Okay, so we all finished the head gasket. All back together now. Got rid of the EGR system. It wasn't even hooked up anyways, but now it's all nice and blocked off and clean. And turbo, good scrub. Battery back in and hooked up. Propane line. Took off the boost controller. I'm just running the straight vacuum line, so it'll probably only sit about 9 or 10 pounds of boost. But that's where it's going to sit, because it was happy there before, and when I mucked around with it, that's when I blew the head gasket. So, oh, fresh new gaskets in there. Give the inside a good scrubbing. And, yeah. Try my hand at the propane again now that I got the proper boost sensing switch. I'll set it at like 5 psi. So you're on a propane when it gets up in the 5 to 10 range. And oh, I got the little temp switch down there now, so the cooling fan's not always on. It only comes on when it gets up to 160 degrees, I think. Yeah, it comes on. So start up. Okay. Key on. Glow plug heat. Clutch in. Start. Vroom vroom. Sounds just like she always did. Just a little bit of healthy haze. Rum rum rum. Oh, I replaced that antenna too. Sit, chugging away. The oil cooler's all down there. Got it all nice and covered up now, so no rocks are going to come off the tire to hit it. It kind of hangs down there. Got the steering all fixed. Now it turns all the way over without hitting the oil pan. Just the belt. Side to side. It used to only go to about there and then it would hit the oil pan, so now it turns all the way nicely. So we just got to sand the front end, sand the cabin, all that. I'll give it a nice coat of black like this. Finish painting the tonneau cover. I also moved the fuel door up here. It used to sit right on top of the tank, which was fuelable fine, but if you had to put used oil or used vegetable oil or something like that in it for fuel, then it was kind of a pain to pour a jug into it. Now it's up here, nice and perfect. You can put a funnel in and just go right there. Nice and easy. Still got to deal with the center console and build something for the inside. And being the gas tank and the stack come through the box, I kind of framed it all in here to make it nice and flat on top, so you could still carry something on top of the wood. And for storage, the whole inside is still usable. There's the propane tank and the propane valve and regulator. Look at that all set up and working again. I know where my limits are for boost. So that goes down and covers half decently. Yeah, other than that, he still gives a nice pop like usual. Let's see, what does she hit for boost now? Perfect. Never used to hit boost in a non-loaded situation. I only hit boost before when I was mucking with the wastegate, so that's good. So, I get this all painted up. Debating to leave these chrome or paint them up black as well. Chrome's kind of pitted and rusty, so let's see. We shall see. Okay. B2600 with a Mercedes 5-cylinder turbo diesel. Until next time.